This is a quick video tutorial about how to use the ListFormatter utility on vmimr.com. The first step is to go to vmimr.com. You don't need to log in to use the utility. Here you'll see the word survival skills on the home page. Click Format Your List to make it more usable. You'll be taken to this website. Note that this does not work with Internet Explorer, but Chrome or Safari, and I assume Firefox, it works just fine with. Here you'll see some important information regarding how to set up your list to import it into ListFormatter. Let's go into Cerner. In Cerner, here's a list of my patients. These are all fake patients because I don't want to release any patient health information. But say this is my list. I'm going to highlight them all and add them to my For Import list. When I go to For Import, I now need to reload, and I see my patients show up there. As you'll read on the ListFormatter page, it's important that the columns are set up as so. Highlight all the patients and copy them. On a Mac, it's Command-C. On a PC, it's Control-C. Go back to ListFormatter. Highlight this text box and paste in your results. ListFormatter will now format your list as such. When you want to print it, press the Print button. A new window should appear with your formatted list ready for printing. You can mess with the details and print formatting in this window in order to make it all fit on one page however you like. Well, that's how you use ListFormatter. I hope you like it. I'm open to feedback. You can reach me at travis.gerard@virginiamason.com. You can private message me on Teams, or you can just come to my office.